problem that we've identified is that of asbestos, and in particular exposure to airborne asbestos fibres. Asbestos is a Category 1 human carcinogen and is the biggest occupational killer in the world. It claims the life of 100,000 people every year to asbestos-related diseases. That's one person every 5 minutes, and 5,000 lives every year in the UK alone, which is more than road traffic accidents. Currently, there is no real-time method for warning people when asbestos fibres have been released into the air. Asbestos is a massive issue. Whilst it has been banned in half of the world, the other half still actively use it. And because it has been used extensively over generations in over 3,500 products, there is a large legacy issue left for people to deal with. Now, we have come up with a solution for this problem, and that is a portable, reliable and affordable warning device for airborne asbestos fibres. We can provide with our product and our technology a first line of defence that will reduce the risk of people to airborne asbestos fibres. And to give you an idea of the scale of the problem, it's relevant to 30 different industry sectors around the world. And within the construction industry, which we will be giving our initial focus, there are 750,000 construction operatives in the UK and 6 million in Europe.
My business is the Alert Technology, a recent spin-out from the Select Group that has over 30 years' experience of introducing and developing new products into the marketplace. We did a considerable amount of research, and we found within our core industry the big problem was asbestos and the early detection of asbestos in real time. We discovered work that had been done by the University of Hertfordshire. We joined forces and we were able to attract some European funding, enable us to develop the science behind Alert as it stands today. Alert breathes the air that we breathe, and it is an instrument portable enough to take into different locations by different people. Its purpose is to give an early warning as to the presence of airborne asbestos that creates the problem with a lot of people that are exposed to it.
The majority of revenues for Alert will come through sales of units. We're looking at a range of units. Initially in the first year it will be our Asbestos Alert Pro. We're currently producing 25 sample units for further commercial field trials. Ongoing revenues will be earned via maintenance and calibration of the unit, also for bespoke consumables and accessories to go alongside the Alert. We have the potential for future industry-specific models, which we will be looking to develop, and other ways in which we can develop units. Alert will be taken to market initially directly via Alert Technology to some of the 900 inquiries that we've received, but also in the future through regional industry-specific distributors.
Currently, Alert is unique. There are fibre detectors that can detect fibres in the air, but they cannot distinguish between fibres and asbestos fibres. There are products such as the Phasar that can identify asbestos in the solid state, but in actual fact that is not so much of a problem. The problem is when fibres become airborne and are inhaled.
We have a very passionate and enthusiastic team at Alert with a range of commercial and scientific experience. Alan Archer is our MD and founder of Alert Technology. A serial entrepreneur, Alan brings over 30 years' experience of launching innovative new products to market. I'm Loretta King and I am the Marketing and Communications Director at Alert Technology. Formerly a senior account manager at a London-based marketing agency, I have a wide experience of working with well-known FMCG brands. And our scientific team at Alert consists of Professor Paul Kay and Dr. Chris Stopford, who are the lead inventors of the technology that is the core behind the Alert detector. We work very closely with them and will do continuing with the development of new technology for future Alert devices. And then our financial team consists of Jonathan Sinnett, who is our investment director, and Alan Walker, who is an engineering advisor. Well, we've raised £700,000 in alert technology via a private investment syndicate. The lead investor within that syndicate is NCL, or Narrett Capital Limited, who invested £500,000. NCL specialise in investments in pre-revenue disruptive technologies that are ready for commercialisation, such as alert.
Funds this round will be used to enhance our team, to be used to scale up production, used also for further market development and the refinement of the technology so it can be used for different applications as we go forward. At this point, we feel Alert would be an attractive target for an international large business that wanted to develop this market sector. And therefore, we feel that in the next 5 years, we want to commercially develop it as soon as we possibly can, build the revenues and make it very attractive.